Hello, you're welcome to my channel. This is the Bell Makeovers, and if you're not new here, you're welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this pretty matte eye look paired with these ombre lips on my beautiful model. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button now. Thank you. So firstly, we're going to prep the skin, and we start by hydrating the skin with a setting spray. That's after we've thoroughly cleaned the face to remove any dirt or oil. So I'm going to just make sure that dries down. Then I'll go into moisturizer. We need to keep the skin as moisturized as possible, as supple, so that the product can glide on smoothly on it. Please check the description box for all the products that I used. Once the skin has thoroughly absorbed the moisturizer, I'll go into primer, and that is what I'm applying right now. Once I'm done applying primer, I use a flat brush to apply my foundation. Then I went back in with that setting spray and sprayed it again before going in with my beauty sponge to blend it into her skin. I used very little foundation because her skin is very lovely already. It doesn't have a lot of imperfections. Don't forget that when you are blending your foundation in, you pat or you dab into the skin. You don't rub. That's the way you get maximum coverage from your foundation application. Next, we move into highlighting, and I'm using two shades to highlight. I'm using one that is 2 shades lighter than her skin tone, and right at the inner corner of her eye, I'm using one that is 3 shades lighter than her skin tone, and that's because I want that area to be the brightest when I'm done. So I apply and then blend with my beauty sponge. I'm using the other end of the beauty sponge, not the part I used to apply the foundation. When I'm done blending the highlights, I will go back to the side I used to apply the foundation, and I'll go over all the edges so that everything can blend. That's all the concealer I used to highlight, so that it can blend seamlessly into the foundation I already applied. Now we are going into contouring, and I'm using this very dark concealer to contour her face. I'm going to be contouring the perimeters of her face. I have a video on highlighting and contouring on this channel already, so I'll leave the link in the description box. Now I'm going to be setting my highlight and contour. and I'm using a lighter powder from my powder palette to set the highlights. When I'm done, I'll use a darker shade to set the contour. Then I'll go over her face with her exact powder shade. To set our highlighting and contouring, we go back into the setting spray. That helps to remove the powdery feel and make everything look skin-like. Next, I fill her brows with this gel from Hegai and Esther. I have 2 detailed eyebrow tutorials on this channel. Please go and watch them if you would like to see how I did these brows. I'll definitely leave the link in the description box. Next, I'm applying setting powder under her eyes, and this will help to catch any fallouts from the eyeshadow we're about to apply. Once I'm done with the setting powder, I apply eyeshadow base on her eyelid. What I'm doing is very easy. I'm just using my eyeshadow brush to pat the yellow color on her eyelid, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to blend with orange and a dark brown. I'm going to use the brown to contour the eyes, and I'm also going to take it up and blend it into her crease, and that's all for the eyeshadow. It's really simple. And after that, I line her upper lid with black eyeliner and her lower lid with green eyeliner, just to make the eyes pop a bit more. Now I'm just sweeping some blush on her cheeks, and when I'm done with that, well, I'm going to use this loose bronzer to glow up her face. And for the final step, I start my lipstick application with this wine lip stain, which I'm applying as a lip liner. I'm using it at the perimeters of her lips. Then I'll go in with that orange you're seeing in my hand at the center. And then at the innermost part, I'll apply a nude color just to brighten up her lips and give it like a pout. And that's it mainly for our look today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know in the comment section what you think about the look. Do you love it? Is it something you can rock? Please let me know. And also don't forget to share with your friends. If you would like to see the gele tutorial, that's the video before this one, so just go and check it. I'll also leave the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.